Hi, I'm Troy Wayman, President of Citywide of Wichita.
And I'm Mitch Wayman, Chief Operations Officer of Citywide of Wichita. We started this company with the same values we continue to uphold today. Lifetime client relations, delivering on every promise, and maintaining honesty and integrity in everything we do.
Our goal is simple, to take care of our clients' needs. Whether your need is janitorial services, window washing, or painting, we manage the process from start to finish, ensuring a high level of quality, all while working within your budget. We look forward to learning if Citywide is the right fit for you and your facility.
Citywide is your locally owned building maintenance solution. We clean over 100 million square feet per day, which translates into more than 20,000 hours of maintenance and janitorial services every night. Citywide manages building maintenance services for more than 4,000 facilities nationwide. Our average client relationship lasts at least 8 years, and our average client retention rate is greater than 90%. Janitorial services is our specialty, but we can help with anything from lawn and landscaping to handyman services to parking lot sweeping and striping and so much more. On average, we provide 4.6 services per client. Fewer vendors means fewer salespeople and fewer invoices. And more time to focus on what you do best. Our mission is to provide world-class building maintenance solutions that save time and solve problems. And we've been doing that since 1961. With more than 50 years in business, we have the experience you can count on. We are Citywide Maintenance, and we are on call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Now is the time to add Citywide to your facilities management team.